A Jumbotron allows you to create a special area for important content. This HTML page contains an example of what the Jumbotron looks like. We can see a very large header followed by a smaller subtitle. In order to create one, we just need to create a div and add the Jumbotron class to it. And you can see that we've done that here. Inside our container, we've created a div element and applied the Jumbotron class. You can then use the header and paragraph tags for the heading and subtitle. So for our heading, we've used the h1 tags, and for the subtitle, we've just used the paragraph element. The Jumbotron can be placed inside or outside the container. If placed outside, it'll take up the full length of the viewport. So let's go ahead and give that a try. I'll take the block of code relating to the Jumbotron and cut it and paste it outside of the container. I'll save the file and refresh the web browser, and we can see that the Jumbotron now extends to the full length of the browser's content area. It's also fully responsive, so when I resize the browser, you can see that it remains the full length and shrinks as it needs to. An alternative to the Jumbotron is the page header class. So I'll just put this back inside the container, and instead of the Jumbotron, this time we'll use the page header class. So I'll save the file and refresh the browser. And as you can see, this class adds a horizontal line under the heading and some extra space around the elements. So we can get rid of the subtitle, and that way we'll just have the heading on its own, and then your content can start right below it. So that's another way to emphasize important content on your web page.